Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create timeline actions in adding tag, and removing a contact using your Constant Contact integration. So to start, assuming that you have successfully integrated your Constant Contact account to your AEvent account, from the dashboard, you just have to open your timeline. By default, you will be directed to the page where we create timeline actions. So you just have to click on create action from the upper right hand side. Once on the create action window, we just have to set it on when you want this action to be triggered. So for this specific action, I'll be adding a tag. So I'll set it up on the event day 5 minutes after the webinar has started, and I'll be targeting attendees, and I'll be selecting constant contact, and I want to add tag. So create the tag that you want. So for this one, I want the tag, add tag. Okay, so just click on create action from the bottom, and we have successfully added that action. So next, I'll be showing you how to create a timeline action to remove a tag. So just click on create action again. And again, it will be set up on the event day, 30 minutes after the event has started. So for this one, I'll be targeting non-attendees, and I'll be selecting constant contact again. And I want to remove tag from the non-attendees. So I'll be selecting this specific tag and just click on create again from the bottom. And we have successfully added that action as well. Lastly, I'll be showing you how to remove how to create a timeline action that removes a contact from your constant contact integration. So just click on create action, and we'll be targeting this to be triggered on the same day, event day, and this will be set up 1 hour after the event has started. So I'll be targeting non-attendees, and I want to remove them from my constant contact integration. So simply select delete contact and click on create from the bottom. So we have successfully added that action as well. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of additional videos that will be uploading in the future. Thank you.